Strawberries are not just delicious, they are also packed with nutrients that support your overall health. This vibrant red fruit is low in calories, but rich in different vitamins, antioxidants and plant compounds. From boosting heart health to supporting skin and brain function, here are 10 science-backed benefits of incorporating strawberries into your diet. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Strawberries are loaded with antioxidants like anthocyanins, ellagic acid, and quercetin. These compounds help neutralize free radicals in the body, reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, which are linked to chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. 2. Supports heart health. Strawberries may improve heart function by reducing blood pressure, lowering LDL or bad cholesterol, and increasing HDL or the good cholesterol. One study found that people who consumed more anthocyanin-rich foods, like strawberries, had a lower risk of heart attacks. 3. Boosts immunity. Strawberries are an excellent source of vitamin C. Just 1 cup provides more than 100% of the daily recommended intake. Vitamin C helps strengthen the immune system, promote wound healing, and fight off common illnesses like colds. 4. Regulates blood sugar levels. Despite their natural sweetness, strawberries have a low glycemic index. Research suggests they may improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a safe fruit option for people with diabetes. 5. Supports brain function. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in strawberries have been linked to delayed cognitive aging. One study shows that regular consumption of berries may reduce memory decline in older adults. 6. Improves skin health. Thanks to their high vitamin C content and antioxidant profile, strawberries help with collagen production, reduce signs of aging, and protect the skin from UV-induced damage. Some even use strawberry masks for natural skin rejuvenation. 7. Aids in digestion. Strawberries are a good source of dietary fiber, which supports digestive health. Fiber promotes regular bowel movements, helps maintain a healthy gut microbiome, and prevents constipation. 8. May help fight cancer. Ellagic acid and other phytochemicals found in strawberries may inhibit cancer cell growth. Laboratory studies suggest that strawberries can slow the progression of cancers such as breast, colon, and prostate cancer by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. 9. Supports weight management. Strawberries are low in calories, high in water content, and rich in fiber, all of which contribute to feelings of fullness and help prevent overeating, making them an ideal snack for weight management. And 10. Promotes healthy vision. Antioxidants and phytochemicals in strawberries can reduce the risk of cataracts and other age-related eye conditions by protecting the eyes from oxidative stress and UV damage. In conclusion, strawberries are more than just a tasty treat, they are a nutritional powerhouse with numerous health benefits backed by science. Whether enjoyed fresh, in smoothies, or as part of your favorite dish, adding strawberries to your diet is a delicious and effective way to support your heart, brain, skin, and overall wellness. So next time you're craving something sweet, reach for strawberries and give your body a natural boost. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only, and should not replace professional medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare provider for personalized guidance and treatment. Remember, your health is your most valuable asset, and investing in preventive measures can lead to a lifetime of well-being. Thank you for being a part of our community, and together, let's strive for optimal health and a brighter future. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to hit the like button, share to your friends, subscribe to Earlyseven's YouTube channel and click the bell icon for more rad-clusive videos.